Hi children, today I am going to discuss about 4th standard science subject in term 3 lesson 2 life of animals. In last class we have studied about senses of animals. Now let us see the topic animals active at night. Animals active at night. Some animals sleep in a daytime. Some animals sleep in a daytime and are very active at night. Some animals are sleep in the daytime and are very active at night time. For example, cat. Not only small animals but also some birds also active at night. For example, owl. This is known as nocturnal animals. Some animals that are active at during the daytime, that is known as diurnal animals. Once again, some animals are active at night time, that is called as nocturnal animals. Some animals are active during the daytime, that is called as diurnal animals. For example, hen, horse, camel, etc. In this type of nocturnal and then diurnal animals is a brief about in this video. Let us brief about the nocturnal and diurnal animals. First one, nocturnal animals. Today we are going to be learning about nocturnal animals. Keep your eagle eyes open for some clues. Nocturnal animals are active at night. During the day, these animals sleep or keep away from the sun. It is not until the sun goes down that these animals begin to look for water and to hunt for food. Some nocturnal animals have special features that help them adapt to the dark. Some animals sleep in a daytime and are very active at night. A good example is cat at your home. These animals are active at night time. For example, cat, bat, owl, moth, firefly and mouse. Not only small animals but also some birds are active at night. Such animals are called nocturnal animals. For example, owl. Nocturnal animals is also a tricky word. A nocturnal animals is an animals that is awake or active at night. The following pictures are all the animals for nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are mainly active at night. The darkness gives them some protection from predator. They usually have super senses of sight, hearing, smell, touch and taste to help them in the dark. Once again, nocturnal animals. Nocturnal animals are animals that prefer to come out during the night time. Some nocturnal animals can be seen during the day. Others spend the whole day resting or sleeping. Next one, diurnal animals. Animals that are active during the daytime. Animals that are active during the daytime are known as diurnal animals. For example, hen, horse, camel. The diurnal animals, for example, hen, horse and camel. Lions are active both during day and night. Lions only are active both during day and night. The nocturnal animals generally have highly developed senses of hearing, smell, and specially adapted eyesight. Nocturnal creatures generally have highly developed senses of hearing, smell, and specially adapted eyesight. I do one activity. The word search puzzle for nocturnal animals. Some words are given in the table. These are the answers for that nocturnal animals. The first one, snake, owl, cat, bat, and firefly. Once again, the first one, snake, second one, owl, third one, cat, fourth one, bat, fifth one, firefly. Okay students, today's topic, animals are active at night. They have two types of animals, nocturnal animals and diurnal animals. Some animals sleep in a daytime and are very active at night. For example, owl, cat, mouse, firefly, bat, moth, etc. Some animals are active during the daytime. This is called as diurnal animals. For example, hen, horse, camel, etc. I hope all are understood today's topic. Thank you for listening, students.